Welcome to the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday morning, September 9th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of technology news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Rock breaks. Nicola Mining Inc. in a MFCHQBHUQBIF reports $0.3 million in August gold sales through Talisker Partnership. Nicola Mining Inc. reported $0.3 million in August gold sales through its partnership with Talisker Resources Limited. The company sold 707 ounces of gold, following production gains from upgrades including automation and a large concentrator. CEO Peter Espig highlighted Nicola's position as a producer, benefiting from gold and silver prices, while advancing work at the Treasure Mountain Silver Project. Nicola Mining owns a mill and tailings facility in British Columbia, with agreements for high-grade gold projects. The company also owns the New Craigmont copper property and the Treasure Mountain property. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. Rocks and Stocks is a specialized communications platform providing insights into the mining industry, offering access to a network of wire solutions, editorial syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications solutions.
Gilat secures $66 million in private placement from institutional and accredited investors. Gilat Satellite Networks Limited announced a private placement of ordinary shares, securing $66 million from Israeli institutional and accredited investors. The company will issue 758,820 ordinary shares at $9.35 per share, representing an 11% stake after the sale. The transaction is expected to close in September 2025, with net proceeds of approximately $65 million to be used for general corporate purposes. The private placement is limited to Israel and not available to U.S. persons under Regulation S. Forward-looking statements caution potential risks, including geopolitical tensions. Gilat is a global leader in satellite-based broadband communications, providing innovative solutions for commercial and defense applications. For more information, visit gilat.com.
HeartBeam Beat reports study showing comparable accuracy between HeartBeam system and standard 12-lead ECG in detecting arrhythmias. HeartBeam, a medical technology company, recently reported study results showing comparable accuracy between its HeartBeam system and standard 12-lead ECG in detecting arrhythmias. Data from 21 patients presented at HRX Live 2025 by Dr. Joshua Lampert of Mount Sinai Heart demonstrated high accuracy rates in both groups, with HeartBeam at 94.5% and standard 12-lead at 95.5%. CEO Rob Eno highlighted the potential of HeartBeam's compact 3D device to expand advanced cardiac monitoring to settings where full 12-lead ECGs may be impractical. The company plans to use these results to support future FDA submissions.
Amazon to power its New Zealand data centers with renewable energy. Amazon has announced a $4.4 billion investment to power its New Zealand data centers with renewable energy. The project will feature computing facilities powered entirely by wind generation. This move aligns with the global trend towards renewable energy. Powerbank Corporation, stands to benefit from these advancements. Green Energy Stocks, a platform focusing on companies shaping the green economy, provides access to a vast network of wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications solutions. For more information, visit greenenergystocks.com.
Integrated Cyber Solutions initiates patent process for quantum-resilient AI deployment and data securitization technology. Integrated Cyber Solutions, Inc. has initiated the patent process for quantum-resilient AI deployment and data securitization technology. The company has engaged intellectual property counsel to pursue a patent application covering security methods focused on ML, AI deployment pipelines, and data securitization, including quantum-resilient capabilities. This strategic move positions the innovation as the core technology underpinning its platform, enabling a unified, scalable, and resilient approach to protecting ML/AI models and enterprise data. The patent will focus on secure, global deployments of ML/AI models, data securitization techniques, model visibility monitoring, zero-trust protections, and audit-ready transparency. By formalizing its intellectual property protection strategy, Integrated Cyber Solutions is strengthening its platform's defensibility and enhancing customer adoption and shareholder value. Enhancing online business success. Expert insights on SEO strategies. SEO Solutions Inc. emphasizes the importance of a multifaceted approach to SEO, including keyword optimization, quality content creation, and effective backlinking strategies. Their comprehensive guide also highlights the significance of utilizing analytics tools to track performance and adapt strategies accordingly. In today's digital world, businesses must consider emerging trends like voice search optimization and mobile-first indexing to stay competitive. CEO Jane Doe stresses that SEO is an ongoing process that requires staying updated with the latest algorithms. Additionally, local SEO practices can significantly boost local traffic and customer loyalty. For more resources and personalized consultations, businesses can visit SEO Solutions Inc. website or contact them directly at info@seosolutions.com. Intermountain Cable partners with Incognito Software Systems to enhance broadband service delivery. Incognito Software Systems has partnered with Intermountain Cable to enhance broadband service delivery. Intermountain Cable, a provider of data, video, and voice services in the U.S., selected Incognito's Broadband Command Center to streamline service delivery. This partnership aims to improve operational efficiency, lower costs, and offer reliable broadband experiences to customers. With a focus on top-tier services, Intermountain Cable chose Incognito for its industry expertise and flexible provisioning platform. The implementation of BCC was completed in just 4 months, showcasing its agility. Incognito's Broadband Command Center is recognized for its reliability and scalability, supporting the latest provisioning standards like DOCSIS 4.0. Incognito looks forward to contributing to Intermountain Cable's success in the competitive market.
Computer Resources of America named to the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of fastest-growing private companies in America. Computer Resources of America, a leading provider of innovative IT solutions and managed services, has been named to the 2025 Inc. 5000 list of fastest-growing private companies in America. This recognition highlights CRA's sustained growth, adaptability, and strong leadership over the past 3 decades. The company's inclusion in the Inc. 5000 is a testament to its commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology solutions and unparalleled customer service. CRA has also received multiple prestigious industry recognitions, solidifying its position as a top performer in the global market. To learn more about CRA and its services, visit www.cultsierra.com.
Eltropy Leadership Summit 2025 concludes in Jackson Hole, highlighting innovation and community focus. The 4th annual Eltropy Leadership Summit concluded in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, focusing on strategic innovation and community partnerships. Over 130 C-suite executives and senior leaders from credit unions and community banks gathered to address industry challenges and growth opportunities. The summit featured prominent speakers and panelists discussing topics like data-driven decisions, talent strategies, and competitive strategies for profitability. Attendees also enjoyed adventure activities and networking opportunities in the scenic Teton Range. The summit highlighted the importance of intelligence, innovation, and connection in shaping the future of community finance. Eltropy extends appreciation to event sponsors for their support in making the summit a success. ECARX, ECX US, secures over $1 billion in global contract wins in Q2, eyes H2 growth and EBITDA break-even. ECARX Holdings Inc., a global mobility technology provider, secured over $1 billion in global contract wins in Q2, positioning itself for growth in the second half of the year. Despite a 10% decrease in total revenue, the company achieved key technological advancements and expanded internationally, securing contract wins exceeding $1 billion. ECRX also showcased its AI-driven intelligent cockpit and driving solutions at the 2025 World Artificial Intelligence Conference, deepening relationships with existing customers and attracting new ones. The company's technology prowess was recognized with the Technical Development and Innovation Award at Volkswagen Brazil's The One Conference. With certifications in place and a new global headquarters in Singapore, ECARX is accelerating its global strategy and strengthening its competitive positioning in the automotive industry.
Aptly launches Guided Home Equity Calculator to help credit unions capture high-value lending opportunities. Aptly, a provider of AI-powered financial calculators, has launched its Guided Home Equity Calculator to assist credit unions in seizing high-value lending opportunities. This new tool integrates real-time property valuations and offers step-by-step guidance through the home equity line of credit evaluation process. Members input their address to receive current estimated home values and potential line of credit amounts based on their mortgage balance and desired draw. The calculator eliminates guesswork by providing personalized answers instantly, boosting member confidence. It also explains introductory rates versus variable rates and allows for interactive adjustments on both desktop and mobile devices. Credit unions can gather valuable lead information without requiring personal details until members choose to proceed, enabling targeted marketing strategies for high-value lending products. The calculator is easy to embed and customize, reflecting each credit union's rates, terms, and brand guidelines. For more information about Aptly and its financial calculators, visit hiaptly.com.
GBP ranking factors for local SEO. Proximity, reviews, relevance. Research by Search Atlas reveals that proximity, reviews, and relevance are key factors in Google Business Profile rankings for local SEO. Proximity is the strongest driver, with reviews and relevance defining competitive advantage. Businesses must invest in reviews, keyword branding, and GBP completeness to improve visibility. The study, conducted in May 2025, shows that proximity accounts for nearly half of ranking influence, followed by industry type and review keywords. Sector-specific strategies are crucial for success in industries like food, health, law, and beauty. Overall, proximity, industry type, and review signals are the top drivers of Google local rankings, while profile details play a minor role.
Inflection to go public through merger with Churchill Capital Corp. X. Inflection, a global leader in neutral atom-based quantum technology, is set to go public through a merger with Churchill Capital Corp. X. The aim is to accelerate Inflection's mission to commercialize quantum products that provide orders of magnitude improvement in computing and precision sensing applications. The combined company will operate as Inflection and be listed on a leading North American exchange under the ticker INFQ. Inflection designs, builds, and sells quantum computers, precision sensors, and software to governments, enterprises, and research institutions. With a strong commercial portfolio and a clear leadership in solutions, Inflection is poised to build a category-defining public company. The business combination values Inflection at a pre-money equity value of $1.8 billion, providing an attractive entry point for Churchill X shareholders and new investors, with over $540 million of gross proceeds expected to strengthen Inflection's technology and product roadmap. Critical Infrastructure Technologies Ltd. Product Development Update. Critical Infrastructure Technologies Ltd., a leading developer of autonomous, high-capacity mobile communications platforms, has announced a major advancement in payload elevation and network reliability with the release of its NX20 and NX24 models. These models are designed to support critical operations across defense, border security surveillance, and mining. The NX20 can lift up to 100 kilograms of payload equipment to a height of 20 meters, with an optional extension reaching 24 meters, expanding the system's transmission range. The NX20 can transmit to a network node up to 18 kilometers away on flat terrain, enhancing communication effectiveness in challenging environments. SciTech's engineering team has made key advancements, including increasing load capacity while maintaining core mechanical principles and integrating support for VTOL fixed-wing surveillance drones. These innovations demonstrate SciTech's commitment to providing next-generation solutions for mission-critical communications.
IPC appoints Vimal Vel as Chief Product Officer. IPC, a global leader in trading communications technology and financial market connectivity, has appointed Vimal Vel as Chief Product Officer. Vimal, known for his visionary product and technology leadership, will drive the next wave of product innovation at IPC. CEO Kurt Adams praised Vimal's track record in delivering market-leading products and assembling high-performing product teams. Vimal's mandate is to revolutionize integrated trading communications by leveraging advanced cloud technology, AI-driven workflows, and seamless multimodal connectivity. His goal is to create a unified global trading experience. Vimal, who previously served as Chief Product Officer at Morningstar, brings a wealth of experience in financial services and product strategy. With a background in electrical engineering and an MBA, he is well-equipped to lead IPC into a new era of growth and innovation.
Nutriband Inc. Nasdaq CEO showcases Aversa to abuse deterrent transdermal technology at Emerging Growth Conference. Nutriband Inc. CEO showcased the Aversa abuse deterrent transdermal technology at the Emerging Growth Conference. The company's innovation focuses on the AversaCom platform, a proprietary technology aimed at preventing drug misuse and abuse. Aversa fentanyl is anticipated to reach $200 million in annual sales post-FDA approval, with potential exceeding $800 million. Nutriband aims to address the urgent need for safer drug delivery methods amidst the opioid crisis. Founder Sergey Melnik highlighted the company's growth trajectory since its establishment in 2016, with a unique revenue-generating structure. For more information on NTRB, visit the company's newsroom. BioMedWire provides specialized communications in the biotechnology and life sciences sectors, offering access to a vast network of wire solutions for targeted outreach and enhanced press release distribution. InDrive begins super app rollout with grocery delivery, expanding fair daily services across frontier markets. InDrive, the world's second most downloaded ride-hailing app since 2022, has announced the rollout of its super app, starting in Kazakhstan. With over 41 million deliveries completed globally in 2024 and over 14 million in Q2 2025, InDrive is expanding into multiple verticals beyond mobility. The company's capital-efficient model has led to EBITDA profitability and double-digit growth. Designed for frontier markets, InDrive's super app offers grocery delivery with more than 5,000 products available for delivery in as little as 15 minutes. The modular super app adapts to each market's needs, with plans to roll out across key frontier economies like Brazil, Mexico, and Egypt. Andres Smit, Chief Growth Businesses Officer at InDrive, emphasizes the importance of introducing services tailored to each city while upholding principles of fairness, transparency, and choice. Protospace MFG unveils Protospace Designer, game-changing software for aerospace engineers. Protospace MFG has unveiled Protospace Designer, a game-changing online software tool for aerospace engineers. This breakthrough tool allows engineers to design and order custom-machined parts with unprecedented speed and simplicity. By embedding manufacturability constraints into the design environment, Protospace Designer eliminates traditional barriers between design and production. Engineers can design parts with built-in manufacturability checks, get instant price quotes, place orders online seamlessly, and receive finished parts in as little as 2 to 3 days. This software accelerates technology development cycles, reduces downtime, and minimizes costly redesigns, providing engineers with the confidence that their parts are production-ready. Protospace Designer is available worldwide at protospacedesigner.com and manufactured at Protospace MFG's facilities in Nova Scotia, Canada, and North Carolina, USA.
D-Wave Quantum Inc., NYS, releases new tools to advance quantum AI innovation and exploration. D-Wave Quantum Inc. has released a new open-source quantum AI toolkit, part of the Ocean software suite, to help developers integrate D-Wave quantum computers into modern ML architectures. The toolkit allows direct integration with PyTorch for creating and training deep learning models. A new demo demonstrates how developers can use D-Wave quantum processors to generate simple images, marking a significant step in quantum AI development. By providing these tools, D-Wave aims to accelerate the use of quantum computers in AI applications and help organizations explore quantum artificial intelligence innovation.
Report says existing methods to keep Australian teens off social media have risks. Australia is set to implement a new law banning children under 16 from having social media accounts in an effort to protect them from the negative impacts of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube will need to block underage users or face fines up to 50 million Australian dollars. Companies like Thumbs Up Media Corp, Nasdaq TZP, specializing in AI-backed social media marketing, are likely to closely monitor these developments. Tech Media Wire is a specialized communications platform focused on technology companies, offering various services to help reach a wide audience and enhance brand awareness.
Investor News Breaks HeartBeam Inc., Nasdaq Beat, reports studies showing comparable accuracy between HeartBeam system and standard 12-lead ECG in detecting arrhythmias. HeartBeam Inc., a medical technology company traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol BEAT, recently reported study results showing comparable accuracy between its HeartBeam system and standard 12-lead ECG in detecting arrhythmias. Data from 201 patients presented by Dr. Joshua Lampert of Mount Sinai Heart demonstrated high accuracy rates in both groups, with 94.5% for HeartBeam and 95.5% for standard 12-lead. CEO Rob Eno highlighted the potential for HeartBeam's compact 3D device to expand advanced cardiac monitoring in various settings. The company plans to leverage these results to support future FDA submissions, showcasing the potential of their innovative technology in transforming cardiac care.
Investor News Breaks, SE Media Corporation, ASDAQ LLU, announces U.S. lottery market re-entry with affiliate partnerships and rewards program. SEG Media Corporation, a sports, entertainment, and gaming conglomerate, has announced plans to re-enter the U.S. lottery market. The company is seeking approval to become an affiliate partner of state-operated iLottery programs in Pennsylvania, Virginia, and Michigan, while also launching a nationwide lottery rewards program. SEG Media aims to reconnect Lottery.com with U.S. players, drive responsible acquisition for state lotteries, and provide exclusive promotions and experiences for players and retailers. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. SEG Media Corporation is focused on immersive fan engagement, ethical gaming, and AI-driven live experiences, operating digital assets such as sports.com, concerts.com, and lottery.com. Investor News Breaks. A2Z Customate Solutions Corp., AZ, secures rights to monetize smart cart retail media and data at Yokananoff. A2Z Customate Solutions Corp., AZ, has secured the rights to monetize all retail media, data, and digital assets generated by its Customate 3.0 smart shopping carts at Yokananoff, Israel's top supermarket chain. Each cart can generate over 25,000 impressions per month, with A2Z paying a fixed sum to Yokananoff for ads sold on a cost-per-thousand impressions basis. This agreement opens up new revenue streams through advertising, consumer data analytics, and the development of a smart cart marketplace. A2Z is well-positioned to capture value in the rapidly growing global retail media segment and the projected retail data monetization platform market by 2033, which is estimated at $20.3 billion. Isotropic Corporation, CSEQB, IZF, advancing dedicated breast imaging at a market crossroads. Isotropic Corporation is advancing dedicated breast imaging with the IsoView breast CT system, designed to eliminate tissue overlap and compression limitations for breast cancer screening in patients with dense breast tissue. The platform model supports multiple clinical applications, positioning Isotropic for potential market entry into the $8.7 billion global breast imaging sector. This new wave of purpose-built devices addresses the limitations of mammography, offering new possibilities with artificial intelligence, high-resolution computational imaging, and patient-centered design. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
AI News breaks. Global Tech Corp OTCK closes $1.4 million convertible note private placement. Global Tech Corporation, a U.S.-headquartered technology holding company focused on artificial intelligence, big data, and emerging technologies, has closed a private placement of convertible promissory notes for $1.4 million. The notes will convert into common stock at a 15% discount upon a future IPO. Proceeds will support AI-powered solutions, international market expansion, and potential acquisitions. D Capital LLC acted as strategic advisor for the transaction. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided URL.
Why platinum could soon close in on gold and silver. Platinum, once known as the rich people's gold, is on a bull run, sparking speculation of a return to premium status over gold. Factors indicate a continued rally in the platinum market, with potential for further growth. Leading extractors like Platinum Group Metals Limited are poised to benefit from the upturn. Rocks and Stocks provides deep insights into the mining industry, offering access to a vast network of wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications. For more information, visit rocksandstocks.news.
EchoStar announces spectrum sale and commercial agreement with SpaceX for $17 billion. EchoStar has entered into a definitive agreement with SpaceX to sell the company's AWS-4 and H-Block spectrum licenses for approximately $17 billion, consisting of up to $8.5 billion in cash and up to $8.5 billion in SpaceX stock, valued as of the entry into the definitive agreement. Additionally, the agreement provides for SpaceX to fund approximately $2 billion of cash interest payments payable on EchoStar debt through November of 2027. In connection with the transaction, SpaceX and EchoStar will enter into a long-term commercial agreement, enabling Boost Mobile subscribers to access SpaceX's Starlink direct-to-cell service. This transaction aims to resolve FCC inquiries and will occur after receiving all required regulatory approvals.
FleetNow partners with Approve to make equipment financing simple and flexible. FleetNow, a leading online marketplace for construction equipment, has partnered with Approve, a financing platform, to simplify and streamline equipment loans for business buyers. With Approve, FleetNow customers can access financing options quickly, eliminating barriers to investing in essential equipment. Buyers complete a single application and are connected to financing offers from trusted lenders within seconds. The process is 100% digital, with a dedicated finance coordinator guiding customers from application to funding. Customers can finance a variety of equipment, including boom lifts, scissor lifts, telehandlers, and excavators, with flexible terms suitable for small and mid-sized businesses. This partnership aims to make financing faster and easier for customers, ensuring they can invest in the equipment they need with confidence.
Impact Networking invests in top-tier client experience, hires new Chief Client Strategy Officer Tracy Garcia. Impact Networking LLC has appointed Tracy Garcia as Chief Client Strategy Officer, showcasing their commitment to delivering a top-tier client experience. With over 20 years of expertise, Tracy will focus on retention, service excellence, and aligning operational innovation with customer needs. Her goal is to create a predictable, consistent, and excellent client experience. CEO Mike Lepper believes Tracy's leadership will elevate Impact's client service standards as the company continues to expand. This move is part of Impact's strategy to become the go-to national partner for business management services, setting the standard for customer-first growth. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.